morning and welcome. What's today? Happy Friday. I'm dressed and ready to go to the Cotswolds. Yeah, a weekend trip. It'll be nice. 72 hours in the Cotswolds. We're going to take a drive there. The drive is about 3 hours long from London. But yeah, all right. Let's go for a drive.
Pack your bags for the weekend. I just booked our flights. Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another lake, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, name a place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, chillin' all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change.
It's such a beautiful place. Okay, quick story time. We decided to visit Carriacou, which is part of the Grenadian islands and about a 30-minute plane ride from the main island. And when I say plane, I meant a little contraption because I was so scared getting onto this small plane. But glory be to God, we got there and back safe. Anyway, once we got there, we found a really sweet taxi driver who took us to one of the islands, because I do want to preface by saying that I did not research and we did not book any excursions, so this whole part of the trip was on a whim. But everyone there was so kind to the point where we got a private boat driver who took us around and took us to this place called White Island, which is literally a remote island where it was just us and the fish. Needless to say, it was one of the biggest adventures I've ever been on, and it just shows the hospitality and kindness of the Caribbean.